So the classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into three types. Number one, monosaccharides. Number two, that is oligosaccharides. Number three, that is polysaccharides. So these are the three types, that is monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Now we will see one by one. First one is a monosaccharides. So monosaccharide, these are the single unit carbohydrates that cannot be broken into simpler carbohydrates upon hydrolysis. So this is called as single unit carbohydrates. That monosaccharides cannot be hydrolyzed with the help of water. That is when glucose C6H12O6 plus H2O, so there will be no reaction. Now the examples are aldotetrose, aldopentose, aldohexose. So these are the example of monosaccharide. These general examples: aldotetrose, aldopentose and aldohexose. Now aldotetrose, the example is erythrose. Aldopentose, the example is arbinose, and aldohexose, the example is glucose. Now second type, that is oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides, they are made up of 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides or simple sugar. The oligosaccharides contain 2 monosaccharide units are called as disaccharides, and those contain 3 unit called as trisaccharides. Now what will happen when the oligosaccharides hydrolyze? That is C12H22O11 plus H2O, you will get glucose and fructose, that is C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is called as glucose and this is called as fructose. Now the another example is raffinose. That is C18H32O16 plus twice H2O. So you will get glucose, fructose and galactose. You will get glucose, that is C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6 This is called as glucose. This is called as fructose, and this is called as galactose. So this is all about the oligosaccharides. Now third type, that is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. They contain more than 10 monosaccharides unit in the molecule. Thus, one molecule of starch or cellulose upon hydrolysis yields a very large number of glucose unit. So the reaction, what will happen when we take a one molecule of starch or cellulose, that is C6H10O5, and this on hydrolysis you will get n number of glucose unit C6H12O6. Now again I repeat, classification of carbohydrates, they are divided into three types. Number one is monosaccharides. Second one is oligosaccharides, and third one is polysaccharide. So number one, that is monosaccharides. So there will be monosaccharides, or we can say that simple sugar that cannot be hydrolysis. That is, when glucose is treated with sugar, there will be no reaction. Now oligosaccharides. So oligosaccharides are made up of 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides. Example, again, this is example sucrose, C12H22O11. On hydrolysis you will get the two molecules of sugar, that is glucose and fructose. And another example is raffinose. This on hydrolysis you will get glucose, fructose and galactose. This is all about oligosaccharides. Now the third type, that is polysaccharides. So this is a large molecule of starch or cellulose, which on hydrolysis you will get n molecules of glucose. Now another, next is reactions of glucose. There will be a different type of reactions. So we will see one by one. Now first we will write the formula for glucose, that is